somebody wants to fix something here, okay? They want to make peace and they're asking for maybe a do-over, okay? Can we start over? That's kind of the energy. Now, we've got a tower moment with this, so maybe you're not expecting this. Could be somebody that in the past has been quite full of themselves, egotistical, not somebody that you would expect to come in and want to kind of fix things and try again, but they have come to some sort of clarity in their mind. Previous to this, they've been all over the place, okay? They've been kind of thinking one thing and doing another. Also could have had external influence, yes, but I feel as though this person wants to come in and create some sort of peace, work together in a team there to kind of start over. That is what they want. There's a do-over. Can we kind of, this is them coming in with passion, with desire, but it's also them coming in bold. Can we talk? Can we sort this out? Can we put the past in the past? Can we let go of the old emotions? It comes from them, so you can let them talk and let them do all the action. But can I come and see you, and can we clear the air? I am now emotionally mature. Okay, so this person's different. This person's got control of their emotions, and it may have taken them a full cycle to get there. So we've got the wheel and the world. So something's changed, something's shifted, something's different. And this person wants to come in and make things right. And if possible, be given the chance to start over. They never really let go of you, okay? They always kind of held on, even though it seemed as though they moved away, even though it seemed as though they may have been selfish in their actions. They never really detached because you do have this bond with them, okay? There is a soulmate connection of some sort or a past life connection. This is them coming back in. So again, I hate to say it, but someone's coming back around, but it could even be someone you're still involved with and still talking to, but they want to start over. They want to work through things and let's put all that to bed. Let's just start again. There is a spiritual reason for this. This means that you have a higher calling with this person. So there is more to learn, more to develop, more to do. King of Wands was behind that, just so you know. So again, this could be a long-term commitment from a partner. But they are choosing you, and they're asking and choosing to talk this through, choosing to kind of communicate in a more mature way to try and get it right this time around. So let's just look at the oracle cards quickly. This person wants a second chance by the looks of things. They want to kind of try again. Now, indecisive, this could be you. This could be you thinking, should I, do I want to? I don't know. If it's not you and it's that person, it's just meaning that it's taken them a long time to kind of come to the place where they've got the courage to do this, but they are hopeful. They are hopeful of a new commitment. They're daydreaming about commitment. Okay, so that is what they would like. Their wish for all of this is commitment, and it is to move forward with you in a positive way. Let's start over. Libra, Sagittarius, Aries, fire, and Aquarius. Okay, so we've got a lot of fire and a lot of air. That can either be great or it can be terrible. It's going to be your choice, but I do feel like this person is genuine.